Well, hi, this is Rich, and I just got back from Chickasha. Went metal detecting down there. It's a lot of fun. They have a park down there that they have Christmas lights that they set up, and a lot of people go through and see the Christmas lights. I just went one certain area down there. I want to show you how I look at Google Maps before I go someplace a lot of times, especially the parks and schools and things like that. So let's go on over there and let me show you what we got. Thanks so much for watching. Here's what I plan to do. This is a swimming pool here, and so I'm going to park here and maybe go up around this area and here to see if there's any change by the swimming pool. Over here is a playground right here, so I'm also going to check with this parking area here and go back this way, and then I'm going to go here between the trees and just see what I might find just in this area. I'll probably be there about an hour and a half to 2 hours, not very long, but for a 76-year-old man, it's long enough. Well, hi, this is Rich. We're in where are we? Chickasha. There we go. Chickasha, Oklahoma. We're at the park where they have all the lights, Christmas lights. I don't know if you can see on the other side of over there on the other side of the white car, there's a slide stuff. I'm hoping to go over there. Right now, I'm over here by the swimming pool, and I'm thinking, well, people park here. I'm going to go ahead and just sort of go back and forth as they get their keys out. They're dropping their change. Hopefully find a little change there. As always, I thank you so much for watching my videos. If you like it, it helps me out, or subscribes, it helps me out a whole bunch. So let's start detecting, and thanks again for watching. Makes you wonder, doesn't it? And there it is, right there. Looks like it's some type of lid squashed down. Makes you wonder, doesn't it? And there you have it. Looks like a, I'm trying to think what it's, Pepsi. It's a Pepsi lid. Sounds good. And then I look, and guess what I see? How can I beat that? A dime, a rosy, right on top of the surface. Looks like it could be a quarter. Oh, I already see it. I mean, not a quarter. And there it is, right there. How can you beat this? Not digging them up. All right. Usually these are pretty close to a can. Well, there it is. It's a penny. it is. It's a little... I don't know what it is. Oh, it's a Roosevelt. Roosevelt. And there is the penny. Well, about another 61 looks like, and it was a penny, and it's fairly new. Is that it? It certainly is. A little green bottle cap. There it is back over here. Don't know if you can see that or not. Looks like another penny. I see it, it's right there. And it looks like a Roosevelt dime. I don't know if you can see my red car way over there with the sun shining on the windshield. But that's, I just sort of swung it back and forth going through here, went over there by the playground. Didn't really find anything over there. I was hoping I would. I had a lot of wood chips there. But I'm going to swing it back and go back toward my car a little bit different direction and see what we might find. Well, I found this another one. This is a shiny one, fairly new penny, just laying on the ground here. Where did it go? Ah, piece of hen slaw, I guess. There it is. Huh. Look at that. Copper's about worn off of it. Little penny. Well, I had a good time at Chickasha Park. It was a lot of fun. A nice day, beautiful day. It was cool right at first. Then it got a little warmer and just had a great time. Found a few coins, found a few pop bottle lids, but all in all, it was a great day. I sure would appreciate it if you could like my channel and subscribe to it, or my video and subscribe to my channel. It helps me out a whole bunch, and I sure appreciate it. With that, we'll see you later. Hopefully we'll get another video out before too long.